Hello guys, today I want to talk to us about something very important, very key in the construction industry. When you're building, you see these two items up here, these are blocks, but one is a hollow block, one is a solid block. I just want to bring to your awareness the importance, the advantages of this hollow block to the solid block. One might argue saying the dense block, that the solid block is advantageous when it has to do with your substructure. That's the foundation level. It will not allow permeation of water and all of that. I quite agree with you, but the advantages of the hollow block is numerous. Okay, then the hollow block, there's what we call thermal comfort. How do I mean by that? If there's heat from the sun during the daytime, it heats the block on the outside. Then later at night, later in the day, there will be a transfer of heat into the internal space. Same thing when there is a very cold weather, something like that. So the hollow, that space in the block, is what helps to douse down the temperature, whether it's of the heat and of the cold. Douse down the temperature before it gets into the internal space. So it won't just transfer directly like that into the internal space. The solid block will do just like that, transfer directly into the internal space, but the hollow block will just, the hole there will help you to douse it down. Okay, that is one. Two, in the area of weight, the hollow block is lighter in weight. That makes it easy for someone to carry it, especially when you are going to a certain height. You can comfortably pick it up there and lay it, and the labor or the mason who is doing the job will charge you lesser than he will charge you when he's laying a solid block. So what that tells you is that at the height where you're going to, it's preferable to use the hollow block. Okay, and most importantly, most significantly, in the area of services, when you want to do your plumbing, piping, then the electrical piping, laying of sleeves and all of that, it's important you use the hollow block because it's easier to crack the hollow block and passing the sleeves. Then when you're passing the sleeves, you just seal up at once. But if you do that with a solid block, there's every tendency that the wall, when you do that cracking, gets weak. It weakens the wall. In other words, creating a crack. Most times it will create the crack from top all the way to the down. Okay, so in a bit to avoid that, this is preferable for, especially when you want to do your conduit services. Okay, so like this video, comment, share your thoughts on this topic, and see you in my next video. I will be glad to share more tips on this.